happy Halloween. Lisa and I are going to be making a Goosebumps? Yeah, Goosebumps. A Goosebumps inspired milkshake.
Correction, Chandler will be making a milkshake and I will be drinking it.
She has emails.
I'm looking at pictures of Harry Styles right now. Harry.
We're also gonna be lining the rim of this milkshake because that's just how we do. I need a cup. I feel like a real baker being in your kitchen. Okay, so we found a cup and basically we're gonna be turning milk green because why wouldn't you? Also, this dress is green, so that means the colors will match. Should I give any more reasons? I have a ton more. I'm just drying this glass. It was a little wet. I just had to rinse it out. I'm not very good at drying glasses. Also, I'm the CEO of Green today. I'm the CEO of Green today. I'm not gonna use a recipe because I'm feeling fun. I'm feeling adventurous. Ooh. Just a gorgeous glass of almond milk. She's smooth, she's creamy, she won't give you a stomachache. Then we got some classic food coloring. And then I'm just gonna,
Careful, don't let her splash.
close call alert.
Okay, it's gonna be a lot.
That's all you needed?
Yeah, it's gel and then stir it around. You're gonna be shocked.
Okay, hold on. We're doing a quick hand wash.
You're gonna be shocked.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
And she's still not even all the way dissolved yet. You know, if I were you, I'd do this with a fork so you could get like more of a whisking action.
Oh my God.
Like this, like a ghost.
That I can't just walk away.
What happened to me
I'm
making you
whisking
a
it like
treat?
You know I can't just let anyone just do things for me.
Go to your emails. Go to your emails. You're gonna yell at me later. We got this. This is 100% the best thing I've seen in my entire life. That's just the sound of Lisa pouring milk out. I'm gonna get some ice cream from Lisa's fridge.
Surprise me. I don't want to know what flavor.
Okay, I'm not gonna tell you. Guys, before we do the ice cream, we're gonna line the rim with Goosebumps. Ooh. I'm gonna use black syrup.
Do you like chocolate syrup?
I'm gonna use chocolate syrup.
What's the matter, Pop? I'm confused.
So this is the only chocolate flavored syrup we have. And by we, I mean Lisa. But we're becoming a we now. It's just who we are.
We're like DJ Tanner and Kimmy Gibbler.
We're gonna pour some chocolate on this plate, and then we're gonna pour the sprinkles out, and it's gonna be a thing. She's just a little cold, so just gotta warm her up. It's like me at a bar. I'm just a little cold. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Midnight moo. No, looking back now. Ooh, no, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna pour the sprinkles first so I'm prepared.
Yeah, they're not going to stick to the chocolate syrup.
We don't know that.
If they're too big.
Dream big, Lisa. Dream big. I mean, with this lighting, are there bats in this? There are bats in this. She's a genius.
Right here.
She can't hear me. She's a genius. All right, now we're gonna just try the dip. Okay, yes, yes, dip. I'm doing like a push dip. Is that a word?
No!
Push dip. This looks pretty good. And the dip. Okay, okay. I'm just doing like a gather and push situation. That's what we're calling this, a gather push. Just a turn, gather, push. When your friends ask, oh, what's that move called? What are you gonna tell them? That's where Lisa would go, a turn, gather, push.
Huh?
Don't worry about it. Okay, let's see, let's see. Okay. It looks, I'm not overwhelmed at all. I'm not overwhelmed. I'm whelmed. We need more. It's not looking great. This syrup is too runny.
I believe that's what I said a minute ago.
These sprinkles are great.
If you want to know a trick, if you pour the chocolate syrup inside the glass and let it drip down, when you put the ice cream in, it'll look like drips on the inside.
I didn't Google this. Normally I would, but this can't be right. This can't be how it's done.
Not exactly what I was thinking, but it does kind of look like a spider web a little bit.
Okay, okay, we're on theme. Now I need to make the actual milkshake. So I have my green milk, we have our ice cream, and we're gonna pour our green milk into our ice cream. I feel like I have to work fast. We're gonna hand mash today because I am nervous to use Lisa's blender. This looks amazing. I don't know if you guys know this, but ice cream's actually a thickener. Of course you knew that. Can you imagine if you didn't? Okay, so it's getting more milkshakey. She's looking real good. I'm here for a hand mixed milkshake. Oh my God, I'm here for it. We have our green milkshake modeled by the girl in the green dress. We have our cup. Bet you forgot about her. She didn't forget about you. And we're just gonna simply pour. Wow. Did not make enough. That's okay. I'm loving this. I am loving this. This is just, hold on. We need whipped cream. Do we have whipped cream?
No, because you took it home last time. And mayonnaise.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be creative. We're gonna be inventive. We're gonna top it with ice cream. I'm gonna top it with vanilla, and then it's like a Neapolitan because we have strawberry chocolate on the inside. The ice cream that I put in just made it a little more buoyant and full. And then we're gonna top it with the real winner, Goosebumps, because that's the real star of the show. It's like, oh my God, I can't wait to show you. Hold on. I mean, are you kidding? She's a sweet treat. I actually have the chills. Okay, let me just do a little walking shot. Wow. Sometimes it's not about how it looks, it's about how it tastes. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what we're gonna prove here today.
I'm gonna need a straw. Oh my God, she looks delish.
A straw?
Drawer.
What kind of straw? What is this? This is what we call a fun straw. Oh my God.
So, on first glance, it looks good. I like the drip around the edge. It's very Halloween.
Thank you.
I like the sprinkles around the rim.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a solid in the top.
I wanted to top it with whipped cream, but I didn't have it, so I topped it with just another thing of ice cream.
Strawberry.
Yes!
It's so good.
Do you love it?
Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, sprinkle rims are the new.
They really are,
Like
honestly.
the best. If you haven't had fancy sprinkles with ice cream, you are missing out. Look at these little bats.
Honestly, I freaked out about the bats too. Are there bats in this?
I wish you could taste this.
Oh, I thought you were talking to them.
I mean, I am, but I'm also talking to you.
Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for letting me borrow your dress.
You're welcome.
Wow. That's what we call success.
Bring it back.
Success.
You didn't even use a blender?
No, that's a hand mixed milkshake, by the way. Yeah,
Darling.
I know. Straight from the heart.